In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use an image to get coaching feedback rather than the other forms of input that we've talked about in other videos. So far, we've talked about uploading videos, uploading documents of various kinds, whether they be Word docs, PDF, Excel files, emails, text files, whatever, or analyzing a web page. But there are instances where you may want to use an image to get your feedback. So I'm just putting a prompt in here. Take a look at my GolfTRAK data and give me feedback on how I can improve. And I'm going to upload the file. And in this case, I'm going to go ahead and upload a video, or upload an image rather, of some GolfTRAK data. I'm simply going to click on that and ask for coaching feedback. Just like with the other things, we can see a progress bar going on. It is going to now analyze that image. After the image has been thoroughly analyzed and reviewed, the results are displayed, just as with any other type of coaching session that you might use. So you can use images to get coaching feedback. It may generate additional images for you, showing you what you need to do. But the important thing here is that you can upload one or more images from programs such as GolfTRAK or Trackman or Strava or any other kind of data collection tools and have the replicator coach you on the results of the data that is collected.